Let's do question number 5 now. And for those who are new, this worksheet has been downloaded from this website, which is just here. And there's a worksheet tab. If you click on that, you'll be taken to this page here. And you can click just here, simultaneous equations, and you should be able to download the same worksheet that I am using also on the same website. There are some scripts, and if you go down towards the bottom and if you click on this link here, you will have a set of questions in front of you, and every time you refresh it, it will create a different set of questions, and you can print it for your practice, and you click on this button to check your answers. So we're doing question number 5, and I have rewritten these equations just here. Notice that the subject of both the equations is just one variable, y, and there are two variables in each equation, y and b, and we have to find the value of y and b, both the variables. So we can use substitution. We can use this value from this equation to replace this y. So I will rewrite this as b plus 1 over 2 is equal to, and then this part of the equation, 1 over 3b plus 9. Notice that we have a fraction just here and a whole number, and we have to convert this, we have to rewrite this as a fraction. So I will say b plus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 3b plus 9 over 1. 9 over 1 is same as 9. Now we are adding two fractions, and notice that the denominators are different. So we have to multiply this by 3 and we have to multiply this by 3 because we have 3 as a denominator on the other fraction, and this will make the denominators same. So b plus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 3b plus 1 times 3 is 3, and 9 times 3 is 27. So the denominators are same. Now we can rewrite this as b plus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 times b is just b plus 27, and we can write the denominators once. We now can use cross multiplication. We can multiply this 3 by this and this 2 by this to get rid of the denominators. So 3 times b plus 1 is equal to 2 times b plus 27. So we can open the bracket now. 3 times b is 3b plus 3 times 1 is 3 is equal to 2 times b is 2b plus 2 times 27 is 54. We can now move similar terms on one side of the equation. So this 2b can come here and this 3 can come here. So 3b, this will become minus 2b is equal to 54 as it is, and this 3 will become minus 3. 3b minus 2b is just b, and 54 minus 3 is 51. So the value of b is 51. And let's check our answer. Let's go back to the PDF, and if we go down, question number 5, of course the value of b is 51. Now that we know the value of b is 51, we can use this value in any of these equations to replace the value of b, and that way we can find the value of y. So I'll use this equation. Y is equal to b plus 1 over 2. The value of b is 51. So y is equal to 51 plus 1 over 2. Y is equal to 52 over 2. And now we can simplify this. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 6 is 12. So y is equal to 26. So that is our answer. So the value of B is 51 and the value of Y is 26. And we can check our answer one more time. Question number 5, the value of B is 51 and the value of Y is 26. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next lesson.